flat rate is a crutch for bad management. And why? Because as a manager, you don't have to motivate your people. Flat rate motivates the technician all by itself. You got to be your own little manager, because if you stand around and you're not a go-getter, you're not going to make any cash. So that takes that burden off of the manager, and now they can just focus on the financials or whatever else they have to do. But I think as more shops go salary or have kind of a combined pay plan, some of that burden is coming back onto the manager, and now you have to figure out how to motivate your people. And that's not an easy thing, because everybody has different objectives, different thoughts, and so on. There's a golden rule of leadership, right? And the golden rule is you treat others as you would expect to be treated, but that's not how to do it. And you're going, what? No, it's the platinum rule. The platinum rule of leadership is that you need to manage people the way that they need to be managed. Lead them the way they need to be led, because each person's a little bit different.